All right, welcome back, mates. Crypto Lovers Trading Group. 10 a.m. and we are in the BEX Plus trading platform. Hope everybody is having a great morning. Welcome on Cryptoballers, all Oracle disciples. We are going to recap here really quickly yesterday's entry. Doesn't matter. In terms of what I like to tell everyone in terms of having a notebook for these experiences, especially, when you're talking about reaching an all-time high and whether or not, the pattern continues in terms of new price discovery for Bitcoin, or does it retrace? Does it fill the gap that may have been created in terms of the market valuations versus, the actual current price, in terms of retail, in terms of FOMO, in terms of all of those things that we typically experience on the weekends. And of course, the gap is being filled currently. We're at about 55,500. We've been as low as 53,000 channel level while this gap's getting filled. So that's great. But one thing I want to talk about again is correlation. Okay. So you've identified that, the bottom. Okay. And you've identified that bottom area in Bitcoin. Okay. Let's say you've located the, give or take, in terms of that bottom 53.5, 53.8, 54,000, whatever the bottom may be, on your chart. And we always talk a lot about leverage trading and correlation. Okay. So you're entering into Bitcoin, but should that be your only entry? If you're a leverage trader? And the answer is no. You could put a little bit into your Bitcoin leverage trade. Obviously, Bitcoin's trading at 55,000, right? But what's going to be the movement of the other correlated assets, right? Correlated cryptocurrencies when Bitcoin makes her move, and she will again. I firmly believe, not financial advice. It's just my opinion. You need to do your own due diligence and all that legal stuff. You're responsible for your own stuff. But whether you're paper trading, whether you're trading live, whether you're trading in simulation mode, which I highly recommend to test out any strategies, this is why we use BEX Plus now in the Cryptoballers X group community, okay? A lot of people have asked, oh, you're a BitSeven guy. You're a BitSeven guy. I love BitSeven, okay? BitSeven doesn't have a simulation mode for beginners, okay? BitSeven doesn't have interest-bearing on your wallet, okay? So in BitSeven, you move into the exchange, you trade, you move your wallet off the exchange. You don't want to keep stuff on exchanges, okay? And so on BitSeven, you're not earning any interest in your wallet on the exchange, okay? It just sits there, okay? BEX Plus, there's interest. There's a bearing interest capability in terms of the platform that you're on, okay? So that's a huge plus, okay? So that's why. But the simulation mode should be used by Cryptoballers every day that you're testing out theories and ideas. It's your virtual paper trader, okay? And then start to implement your strategy that you have live into your trades. Whether or not that's a portfolio tracker, same thing. Altcoin tracker, okay? We use Crypto Compare for that. And so you can see, so this video is just really going to quick example of the correlation. Let's look. Bitcoin entry here. Look at the time frame, 123.339, 316, okay? There's your level, 53,656.98. Not the bottom, but somewhere in, give or take 500 points at the bottom, okay? Ethereum, 1729. Look at the time frame. Right after that, okay? Litecoin, right after that, okay? EOS, right after that. Why? Okay? The fundamental reason why is when the signal goes off, if you have, and I highly recommend if you're using TradingView, love TradingView, highly recommend that you use TradingView. Especially if you're a beginner, you can use the free option. I think you're allowed 3 indicators, I think, if you don't have an account. I'm not really sure. I'm going to check on that. But if you have the account, you set alerts, right? Set your RSI alert, because that's what you're using on the BitSeven trading platform, right? That's what we're using. Okay, we're using an RSI QRT method using those indicators, right? So when that indicator goes off for Bitcoin, I want you to start looking and opening up Ethereum and Litecoin and seeing the correlation in what's happening to those cryptocurrencies. And 90% of the time, they're heavily correlated. So if Bitcoin's RSI is falling below 20, right, and that signal goes off, Ethereum is right there at 20. Litecoin is right there. You should be in all 3.